Dakota's first glimpse ever. You going pee real quick? I'm just gonna have him look at over here.
Stadium 2019.
Now, what are you thinking?
Check it out.
This is crazy.
That's not a great looking swing.
And look, it's batting practice over here.
Mobility, flexibility.
So look, we're gonna be coming out in a minute,
Like golf swing, really hip clear.
and we're gonna come and hang out. Maybe we'll get one.
Who's hitting?
I don't know. It's a twins though. Look, that's coming.